Hello and welcome to Real Flavour with RAPS. With over 95 years of putting flavour first, RAPS have been supplying retail butchers across Europe with flavoursome magic marinades. Many of our retail butchers take advantage of this experience and create amazing products to enrich their meat counters. You can change your counter and add value in a few simple steps. Simply prepare your meat, coat with the magic marinade, and it's all ready for sale. And for summer 2023, you can discover our two new magic marinades. There's the Magic Marinade Tikka, which gives you a slightly spicy, earthy warmth, and the sweet and tangy Magic Marinade Oriental Bang Bang. Both new marinades are perfect for all types of meat, giving them an eye-catching and glossy sheen. We will take you through some fantastic recipes and show you some hints and tips on making the products really pop in your counter, and introduce you to our media pack, which will help you promote your products in-store and online. Let's take a look at the two new magic marinades.